I think I messed up. I never knew e-commerce could be this easy until I found LapsPRO Institute. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking to sharpen your skills, LapsPRO Institute of Technology is here to help you every step of the way. Our expert-led courses break down complex e-commerce concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. From setting up your online store to mastering digital marketing, we've got you covered. Imagine this: creating a store that not only looks professional but also drives sales like a pro. Sounds like a dream? It's achievable with LapsPRO. And hey, you don't need any technical background to start. Our supportive community and dedicated mentors are always ready to guide you. You'll never feel alone on this learning journey. So, why wait? Take that first step toward e-commerce success today. Enroll at LapsPRO Institute of Technology, where your dreams become your reality.